Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to save energy by setting your thermostat. Now, if you have a manual thermostat, one thing to keep in mind when you're looking at your temperature controls, a 2 or 3 degree drop in temperature, or setting your temperature 2 or 3 degrees lower, say in the winter, or 2 or 3 degrees higher in the summer, can save 15 to 20% in your utility bills. So just by keeping a little bit warmer in the summer, a little bit cooler in the winter, you can do a lot. And also the things that we can do with a manual one is that whenever we're going to be out of the space is set those back to a lower temperature. Now keep in mind that your HVAC system, if you set it back too far, is going to have to work that much harder to either cool or heat your house. So usually if you set back about 7 or 8 degrees at the most, that'll be adequate for saving some energy while you're not going to be in the space. But if you go too low, it's going to take a lot more energy to catch your house back up when you come back home. Now, an excellent way to make sure that you save the most energy on setting a thermostat is to go with something like this. This is a programmable thermostat, which gives you in this case, this one has a weekday program and a weekend program. And it has 4 individual settings, so we can go through, and in this case we can automatically set the system to set back in the winter at a lower temperature at night, but before we're going to be up and down and in the downstairs area, then it can be set where the temperature will raise up 3 or 4 degrees to help warm up the downstairs. And then again, after everybody's gone to school and everybody's gone to work, it automatically sets back down so that while you're not here. So these typically can run you anywhere from $30 to $70, but by putting a programmable thermostat in, you can literally save hundreds of dollars every season by utilizing one of these. So really the best way to control your heat and save money on your heating or cooling is to use a programmable thermostat. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to set your thermostat.